Yo, what's good, everybody? Back with another video, I guess. I don't usually do this, but like a wee ball. Anyway, we just got the GKtech angle kit installed, and yeah, gotta go out and test it, see if we can get some nice slides with it. I'll show y'all the kit in a second. I also installed the Making Racing tie rods. That was a whole story in itself. I missed out a whole drift event because they weren't acting right. But anyway, I'll show you what we got. So right away you can see that we get a lot more angle compared to the stock 86 angle. Like, look at all this shit, bro. It comes with a bit of rubbing, but I mean, you get what you pay for, right? Anyway, I'm running the less Ackerman setting, and the car looks pretty good. Haven't tested it yet, but let's see what happens today, right? Also got the Fortune Auto coils on. Still haven't upgraded the seats. You know, dude, I'm fucking chopped, but whatever.
And you got a tripod camera. I know that shit hit me. Nah, for real, we all saw that shit. Shit.
I mean, you can drift this shit in automatic, but like the angle kit helps you hold the sideways slides for longer. Because with the stock angle, it won't do that. If I try to like go sideways really hard, it'll just spin out.
How much is this?
Let's see. I got the coils on. I got exhaust. I got the angle kit. Some tie rods. I guess it's like all in. I say about 2,800.
That's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Oh, to use the shit that he just did?
Yeah. But yeah, this car. I mean, shit, this is the second generation of a car called the GT86.
Yeah.
The first one, they're pretty cheap. You can get them for like 5K on Facebook Marketplace. Throw an angle kit on it like this, you could do the same thing. It just has a little bit less power.
Easy fit.
Yeah, you got a Mustang right here. I see people drift these at the events I go to all the time, bro.
So wait, you be popping out the car meets too?
Yeah, I mean, not like big meets, but like just little drift
Like
events.
private shit?
Yeah.
Like,
Yesterday there was a drift event at Richmond Raceway, hosted by a company called US Drift. I didn't get to go there because my tie rods were all like fucked up. Like I got new ones installed, but they kept making a noise because they were really stiff. So I was like, I don't know if I can make it here today. But I guess this morning it was fine. So I just came out here to practice. There's ain't nobody here.
you was like literally on the other side. Like we hear something beautiful.
That's my bad, bro. Like I only come here because I know for a fact, man, no one lives in that car. Like this car has been parked here for like 6 months straight and nobody goes here. So I'm like, this is the only open spot I can test. Nobody's here on a Sunday. Let me just come out here and see if everything's all right. Are you gonna try to do like a burnout or something?
Oh no, I'm probably gonna. I can do a little something with her. She a V6, so it's nothing too wicked.
Bro, just make sure you stay clear of those fucking poles right there. Those things are crazy.
Yeah, bro, you was doing close to that last one. That
Yeah.
last car right there.
I only knew I could dodge it because I got the angle for it.
Where?
Like you can make big adjustments and your car won't spin out. Let's see what he got.
Man, I see what you got the dot. Yeah, I got the 6, man.
I said, these are fire, bro. Yeah, those things are good at. You got a manual or automatic?
Automatic.
Oh, that's fine. Still got it. Did a rollback. Yo, wait. That shit was fire, bro. Yo, hope you guys enjoyed the video. GKtech kit feels great on the car. I'm loving the new angle. It changed the whole car, man. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Drifting just feels so much easier now. If you're thinking about getting one, I definitely recommend it because it'll just up your game. 100%. But yeah, that's it for now. I'll be making a new video at the Drift Nirvana event probably, or the Southampton one before that. See how it goes.